Hello, 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 hello. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. For today's video, everyone, is about your performance test and advanced presentation for Socio-Cultural Day on October 2026. So this performance test, my dear students, covers from Module 3 and 4, as well as there is a Module 2. Okay, so this will be an advanced presentation. As usual, my dear students, in every module, there will be a performance task. So for the sake of advanced presentation, you need to present all the portfolio, the gallery walk, and their Philippine indigenous communities and peace studies. So the contents it covers for the overview of the presentation theme, the objectives, why we do those presentation, the components, the format, and the recommended outputs and guidelines. So this presentation on the social cultural focus on the Philippine tribes. So at every section there is two groups, so four groups under my advisory of the Philippine indigenous subject. So it focuses on the Philippine tribes and it emphasizes on peace and resilience, accurate representation, and advocacy. So why do we need to present those portfolio or activity? Because it will define the unique cultural characteristics and diverse backgrounds of your selected tribes. By the way, I have already choose a tribe. And so that there will be the same tribe with the other section. And it explains traditional systems on social organization, and it provides detailed insights into the daily lives of the communities, covering their handicrafts, agricultural livelihoods, customary governance structures, and the vital role played by the community elders in the decision-making processes. So there will be a representation of your presentation or of your showcase. There will be an elders, the tribe leaders, the traditional leaders. There will be also the presentation of the dance, of their culture, how they are going to present that one, and the dance, the ritual. Okay, the ritual, just showcase the ritual, uh, more probably 20 members in each group, so we need to divide the task. But along the way, along the preparation, number one is we have the so-called the poster. So that will be the output in the module to the poster of the tribe or of the IPs or ICCs, and there will be a gallery walk, and there will be also a brochure. Okay, includes the products, the products. That's number one, and this is everything that you need to showcase about the tribe. So this will be an advocate for ancestral domains, cultural integrity. It will identify peace building and community resilience mechanism and promote respectful and sensitive representation. This is the components. So in the brochure class, you need to put the demographic, the geographic overview, the linguistic and cultural identifiers, the symbols of cultural expression, and their traditional livelihood and economy, their governance and customer laws, ancestral domain and stewardship, conflict resolution, and peace building. Also, the rights, if they have recognition. Okay, actually, this was already explained in every module. And what about their advocacy? So, what you're going to do with the presentation during the social cultural is also part of the advocacy of the peace building activity or the simulation of the peace building. This is part of the advocacy, okay? And analysis of systemic challenges, strategies for cultural preservation, promotion of indigenous rights, and peace building, and conflict resolution. So this presentation, so now this is what we call immersive cultural exhibition. You wear the traditional clothing, the music. So the judges will come into your boat. So there will be a music that as part of the entrance, the dance as part of the welcoming of the visitors. And the dance presenters must have also their what we call wearing their traditional clothing that is related to the dance. The dance must be the ritual representation of the tribe because it is a unique, no, it is part of their identity. Okay, and the storytelling approach, shall we say, good morning, welcome to the Teboli tribe, like that, and we're going to introduce, there will be an assigned, so I will introduce for the products, what place, the pictures, the poster, kasi ang poster natin is nakatarpaulin siya, and the products or the food that you're going to showcase, and what else, traditional, the rituals, okay, and focusing on the linguistic diversity. And as well as the tangible heritage display, kung magkaroon tayo mga bamboos dyan, it depende yun sa mga tribes natin. Okay? The handicrafts nakalagay dyan on their maps, no? Any collection that you're going to display. And there will be as a part of the house, kubo ba ang buhaton, so it depends as also part of the traditional houses of the tribe. Okay? So don't forget, when you're welcoming the visitors, you give the brochure, you give the, hindi lang siguro kasi ang dami-dami naman yun, or any identity as a token. So you give token to the judges, no, the brochure, the token, and sabay-sabay mayroong mag-welcome. Okay. So kailangan mayroon pong sumunod na mag-present sa mga judges para lalong maintindihan kung ano bang display during the cultural vote. And the critical social issue identification, indigenous, okay. Recommended output, so you will have the presentation. This is part of the cultural journey, the visual infographic and posters, the digital. So there will be one assigned, no? As a documenter, ganito. As a documenter, because after the cultural presentation, the documenter will edit the video, no, the same day edit, no, the same day edit the video as part also of your digital output. Okay? So, kailangan din ang naka-assign documenter, nakasuot din siya ng, representation of the tribe. Okay, this is part of display. Ito is ang reflection paper po ito. Okay. So always remember, no, we must to prohibit mockery and stereotyping, especially that you showcase the tribe assigned to you. And you must to prohibit the smacking or stereotype because you are bringing the culture. And emphasize educational respect. Okay, explains sacred context, promote equal representation. Okay, thank you everyone and best luck with October. So again, there will be an advanced output that you're going to prepare. Kailangan natin siya magawa October po, before October, at the middle of the October, because the schedule po is tentative. October talaga pero wala pang date. Thank you so much and best luck for the cultural journey.